Draw the tongue back as if you're pulling a piston back within your mouth. All the saliva collect at the floor of the mouth. Then your tongue, which will have left end spot, now comes back, does a sweep underneath the saliva from around the teeth, will be drawn down. It will go back to the end spot and you do another swallow. Repeat and repeat and repeat till you have no more saliva left. Your tongue becomes molded and
rodeo, right like a rodeo, baby. I wanna feel your body on top of mine right now.
It's that hot girl by my anthem, turn it up and throw a tantrum. This that hot girl by my anthem, turn it up and throw a tantrum.
Draw the tongue back as if you're pulling a piston back within your